It's a 25 Sonata. Just came in full of plastic. So we're looking to peel some plastic. Because how fun is that? And there's a lot of it. Seems like when a new model comes out, there's like extra plastic, and then as it's been out for a while, less and less plastic is on the car when shipped. I don't know why that is. But we've been slow, so I haven't done a lot of videos. There's just nothing coming in, nothing I think would be interesting to see. So I haven't done just a plastic peeling in a while on a car. What I want to know is, if you bought a new car, would you want to peel the plastic off yourself like a present? Or do you want this all done for you? Or if you did get a car, was any plastic left on there that they missed? Some of this can be hard to get a corner on if you don't have fingernails. If you trim them too short or bite your nails or something like that, some of this can be really hard to get, like these ones where it's just really flat. I try to get under it to get a little lip to pull. We got on the doors here. See the whole car in the picture there. These are like little rubber. So I'll get all the stickers off this side and I'll look back again and see just the difference with all these stickers off. Outside stickers, at least on this side. You know what I'm missing? I almost missed these on all the doors. I still have them on those two doors. I forgot all about them. In the glove box, you got your license plate bracket. I suppose the show we get that on there. bag comes with your plastic bracket here. You got bolts here, screws. You got a bag with 2 of these long ones, fine thread for the rear, 2 fronts, shorter ones for the front. And you get the second bag here, about the same, I think it's the same size as the other one, but this is what we use to screw the frame in to the bumper. So we come down to the bumper here. You can see it has a little notch on the top there. You can see you can read these. The letters aren't upside down. This is going to fit just like that. And if you look, there's a little bit of indent right there. You sort of see it. And right there. And that's where the screws are going to go. You can kind of see it through the hole here. And we're going to take our could do this by hand, but right into there. This side. And we're also going to make new holes. You can see there's indents. You see these circles here. This one and this one, the 2 closest to each other, are for the American license plate. These other ones are probably other countries, but for the American plates, it's the 2 closest ones. And then we got a sticker on there, and these come with overinflated tires to prevent flat spots during transport. So we got to put the pressure down to where it's supposed to be. See, it's up over 50. Be about 32 to 35. So we're probably good there. And I got to do that to all of them. What else you want to do is set your oil change reminder, because it makes you do it. It's part of the process. So I'm going to set up vehicle convenience. That's what comes up. So we're at 100%. Let's mess that. But here it's off, and we got to set it. We set it 37 and 5. And now you don't have to do that every time after it's set. When it gets down there, you can just hit the reset, and it'll put it back to that. Now I just got to go drive it, and that's mostly it for a PDI. Hope it was enjoyable at least. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, whatever.